Hello, and welcome to the second lesson of Module 6. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating and innovative topic, decentralized finance, or DeFi, as it's more commonly known. If you've been following this course, you already know how much the financial market is being transformed by blockchain technology. But do you know what decentralized finance really means? And why is it considered a revolution in the world of finance? That's exactly what we're going to explore today, in detail and with practical examples, so you can understand how DeFi is reshaping the financial system. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. Unlike the traditional financial system, DeFi offers services like lending, currency exchange, and investments, but without intermediaries such as banks or brokers. This is made possible through the powerful combination of blockchain technology and smart contracts, which are self-executing codes that ensure the security and transparency of all operations. In DeFi, for example, you can lend your cryptocurrencies and earn interest on them, or, if you need to, take out loans using your digital assets as collateral. And all of this happens without needing a bank, which reduces costs and makes the process much more accessible. Another incredible innovation is decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. These platforms allow you to trade directly with other users without relying on a centralized exchange, offering greater privacy and full control over your assets. Then, there are stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets like the US dollar, helping protect your capital against volatility and making payments simpler and safer. And that's just the beginning. DeFi isn't limited to these services. It's constantly evolving. Today, there are decentralized insurance platforms, derivatives, asset management solutions, and many other innovations emerging practically every day. It's an environment of experimentation and growth, always introducing new services and solutions. Now, let's understand the benefits of DeFi compared to the traditional system. One of the biggest advantages is accessibility. Anyone with internet access can participate without geographical restrictions or bureaucracy. Moreover, DeFi offers an unprecedented level of transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, allowing public audits and reducing the likelihood of fraud. Costs are generally lower since the lack of intermediaries eliminates many fees. And perhaps most importantly, you have full control over your assets and private keys. However, like any innovation, DeFi also comes with challenges. The technology is still complex for many, especially for beginners. In addition, smart contracts can have vulnerabilities if they are poorly programmed, making them targets for hackers. The cryptocurrency market, as you know, is known for its volatility, which can directly affect the value of investments in DeFi. And of course, we can't ignore regulatory issues, which are still being debated in many countries worldwide. In conclusion, decentralized finance represents a new era for the financial system, an era where inclusion, transparency, and control are the key principles. If this vision becomes a reality, DeFi has the potential to revolutionize access to financial services, providing opportunities for millions of people who were previously excluded from the traditional system. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn even more about the cryptocurrency universe, I invite you to enroll in the course Practical Guide to Cryptocurrency Investments, from Zero to Confidence in the Digital Market. The course is completely free and will give you all the knowledge you need to confidently navigate the crypto market. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on future videos. The course link is in the description. See you in the next lesson.